Hey there everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fix the white screen issue on Roblox for laptops. First, let's try clearing the cache. To do this, go to Start, click on it, and type Run here. Now, type in the command %appdata% \Roblox. Oh no, you actually need %local appdata% \Roblox. Now hit OK. Here's a folder we have, and we need to delete the subfolder named Versions. That's it. After that, you can also try reinstalling the game. To do this, fully close Roblox by right-clicking the icon and selecting Exit. Then go to Start, Open Settings, then Apps and Installed Apps. Type Roblox in the search bar. Choose Roblox Player, click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and confirm it by clicking Uninstall again. Next, open Start, go to the Microsoft Store. Find Roblox there. Open it up and install. If this doesn't work, update your video card drivers, especially if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. In the bottom right corner, right-click the NVIDIA icon and update. If you've got AMD, do something similar. Make sure to focus on the graphics, specifically the drivers. Then install the new drivers here. That's it. Once Roblox is installed, try running it again. This generally should help. If it still doesn't help, try disabling your antivirus and restart your laptop. That's it. I think this will be helpful for everyone. Goodbye, everyone.